Persuasive speech topics for college students. It is not a secret that education is becoming more and more important, especially for the professionals with some experience who would like to boost their career or develop additional skills that could bring them to the new sector of economy. Some people would even say innovation and education are the most expensive currencies of nowadays economy, and if we would like to become competitive on the educational market, it is crucial to go through college education to open the doors for further personal and professional development. Looking at other aspects of our lives, we can see that education also brings us individual satisfaction, as well now we can find new interesting aspects in any type of job we are doing. Time will make this job more common and even tedious. College degree is always the way to widen our horizons and create new opportunities in all aspects of your life. Globalization of economy and social elements of relationships open up access to a lot of challenging, interesting experiences such as traveling, international career, and the cultural exposure. Almost of them, however, will not be possible without strong and relevant educational background. Education is not only about career and opportunity. Thank you.